Oh, what do we have here? Today we have $1,300 Walmart theft explodes into an all-out brawl. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it!
A female officer rushes to Walmart after a shoplifter tried to push out an entire cart full of items. As we soon learned, this is one of the largest total amounts of a Walmart cart push-out attempt, and in the process, she was stopped by Walmart loss prevention and held in the security room.
Wait, you're going to jail?
What starts out as a simple encounter will be anything but that.
Uh-oh.
She tried to push out. We're getting the trigger receipt right now.
Okay.
There's a big buggy.
You have your ID on you?
How convenient.
Kallie. Kallie.
CIS.
What's your date of birth?
13192.
Hey, I got a name date of birth for you. It is.
One thing about Walmart theft prevention, these guys come out like the Avengers, out of nowhere, out of plain, crisp air. It's just like they just appear. Have you ever seen somebody stealing from Walmart? You see these guys pop out. They come out like the police. You do not want to fuck around and find out. And that is for sure.
His first name's Kallie. Last name, I'll just spell it for you. Charlie, India, Foxtrot, 1/31/1992. White female. Do you know how much the total is?
Not yet.
Alright.
How much more is there?
Shortly, loss prevention will provide the total, which will immediately change the climate of the room.
Y'all watch these the whole time? Y'all watch these all the time?
Watch one.
These.
Yo, I thought old buddy was the actor from what's that TV show that was on Netflix that I was watching with the teens and was it Outer Banks? Ah, man.
Sometimes.
He looks just like that dude,
The
though.
lady has not scanned one thing, has put a bunch in her bag. The one in the red right there.
Oh yeah, she's doing smart.
Oh, okay.
How can you tell, though, when, like, they're doing that shit?
Okay. I wouldn't be able to tell between.
Because like, in reality, they could just grab whatever they want
Yeah.
and load up.
Do you know if it's over 750?
Is it over 750? 1300.
Damn!
Okay.
You going to jail!
You're going with me. They want charges pressed, and it's over 750, which makes it a felony.
Oh, yeah. So remember, when you guys are stealing, it can't be over $700 or it's going to be a felony.
Yeah.
Don't steal, though. That's the obvious.
Go stand up. Come on. I'm sorry.
Now she crying.
Well, you're
Don't-
going to have to.
It's too late to apologize. Ooh, she ugly? Oh, my God.
Do not fight.
See what happens when you meth around? Oh, God. Baby, you going to jail.
Please, you do not stop. Turn around.
Dude ain't gonna help the officer. It's a woman.
Woman.
I'm sorry, I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm sorry,
The power of meth compels you. The power of meth compels you.
Would you like BTs? Get up and turn around. Then turn around.
Oh, God. Why is she trying to run away? You're not going nowhere.
Turn around.
Oh. I hate when people do something that they know they're going to go to jail for and then want to cry about it. Like, why you ain't think this through? What you thought? They was gonna give you a little slap on the wrist and be like, hey, they'll come to Walmart. No, your ass going to jail. You going to jail. Mm-mm. Ooh. She said, Oh, my God.
Please stop! I have seizures. I can't stop. I can't.
It's like you're doing this to
I
yourself.
can't. I can't.
Facts.
I can't. I can't.
Where is the backup officer? Why is she the only one here?
I can't. I can't.
Why are you crying?
Yeah.
Because you don't know what I'm going on.
Yeah, she got some shit going on, all right. Take her ass to the nut house.
Would you like to talk to me and settle down? You can't settle down.
I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
You do the crime, you gotta do the time. That's law.
Calm down.
I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail.
You realize this is not beyond. This is beyond me now.
This on body cam. She gotta take you in.
I can't. I can't go.
What the fudge?
5397.
So she's just gonna keep saying I can't until they get more cops in there to get her to comply.
I need another unit. 77. I have a female fighting. You're not moving.
You want me to stand up?
No,
Yeah.
I want you to sit down.
No, yeah, she wants you to sit your ass down.
5448, you can show me 1097.
I will take you.
I was like, what is that?
Sit down.
5448, 5397, where you at?
What the fuck?
Stop.
You need to give her exorcism.
I'm in Walmart.
Oh shit. What the hell is she doing? Oh! Oh! They just gonna sit there and watch her? Help! What are you doing, sir? Help! She need help, dude! They just sitting there. And they the one that called her.
5448, what was it? They were in the
Oh, come on. What are you just standing there for? Help her!
I've tased her twice.
She took 2 tasers, baby. That meth ain't nothing to meth with. Oh, he manhandled her ass. Oh my God.
Give me the cups. They're over there.
Go get him, baby.
I don't want to open the store.
Oh!
Settle down.
Stop.
Where are your cups?
How the fuck did she take 2 tasers though?
Come on.
Oh! Yeah, she strong as hell. That man, them drugs be turning people into superpowers. I mean, super. I can't even get my shit out. Y'all know what I'm saying? Superheroes. Oh my God! Let's start that up. God damn! It seems like when people do drugs, they get superpowers. Ooh. This is a whole man. Okay, I see why old buddy stayed in the back. He ain't stand a chance. How the fuck she take 2 tasers?
5448.
This is crazy. This is an in shape guy. He not no weak dude.
I will tase you if you don't put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind
What if she chased her? Ooh, that would hurt. Yeah.
your back.
You tase that hamstring, it's a wrap.
look, you're gonna get tased again. Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Oh, I told you, hey, that hamstring, that shit'll make you straighten up real fast. I'm trying to tell you.
I will tase you again.
Does she have an exorcism or a withdrawal? Them cheeks is cheeking, though.
Seizures. She hasn't once had a seizure this whole time.
Exactly. Damn. That's got to be a lot to deal with, bro. Ain't nobody signed up for that shit.
I don't know what's in her purse.
1071. Reference Whiskey Foxtrot.
Tased her 3. Drive stunned 3 times.
Drive stunned 3 times.
Do y'all want me to burn that video for you of all that?
3 copies, please.
She just got a slew of charges that she don't even know about. I wonder if she gonna fight some more though.
She's fine. She's breathing.
Wiry little thing.
I was fighting her a good bit before you came in. Couldn't get my radio to go out.
Yeah. I was right there at the red light.
She had those. She threw them.
Stop.
They're gonna have to put her in a whatchamacallit.
It's crazy how she has it.
Yeah.
Before we're gone, buddy.
Cause like, why would you do that?
Thank you.
That was crazy.
Ooh, I'm gonna need a drink after this one.
Dude, Walmart, you in the perfect spot. The perfect
I was
spot.
trying to avoid the computers.
I will say this never happened, so.
Oh, she was fine until I told her she was going with me because it's 1300.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all do want to press charges, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's,
Yep, boy, if they would have said that we don't want to press charges, I would have been whooping y'all ass.
That's what the. That's why I read that too.
Oh my God.
You're not getting up.
You're not going nowhere.
Do not do it again.
Look, it's all done and over with.
It's all on
You're
camera.
in cuffs.
What is?
We got EMS coming to check you out, then you're going to jail.
And I will sit on you at the hospital, so you ain't going home tonight.
Just rest your head right there on my boot. I'm going to let you know. Don't do nothing stupid. Just relax.
Uh-oh. I think he fucked up because she definitely gonna do something stupid. I just feel it in my bones.
Don't move. Keep your head on my boot. Keep your head on my boot. You made me get my pants all dirty, man.
And mine too. She's gonna learn it one day.
No, I feel so bad for her. She's a door host, and I was like, hey, I need you in the office. Like, it won't be bad.
No, it wasn't bad at first until I told her that she was going to jail.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Every time.
I was fighting for a good bit before he.
Well, we kept hearing somebody key up. We thought it was 5585.
No, it was me. It wasn't.
I know.
going out, and I was like, oh my god.
We got 11:13. Do they got anything else? That's it.
We normally don't have problems here.
This might be the most expensive.
We done. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all our supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.